We have Crane Ultrasound Cool Mist Humidifier. We do a unboxing and review, and we start right now. We have a Crane Adorable Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. This is a popular baby humidifier and has been around for a while. Today, Arvin and I will share our Crane humidifier review as well as how to use the Crane Adorable Humidifier. Lastly, we cover how to clean a Crane Adorable Humidifier. There are a bunch of different options on Crane Adorable Humidifier that you can choose, such as elephant, frog, unicorn, and pig. They are pretty much the same core design, just the appearance is different. We got the cow design. I put a link below for you to check them out. These are the parts in the box. Alright, how to use this Crane humidifier? There are 3 key parts in the box. This is the base with the control knob on it. This is the water tank that goes on top of the base like this. It holds 1 gallon of water. You fill the water tank from the bottom. Unscrew the water tank cap. Fill with water. Don't use oils or medication in ultrasonic humidifiers like this one. Put the cap back. The tank has a handle, but you don't want to carry the tank only with handle when it's full and heavy. A full 1 gallon tank lasts about a couple nights. There is this tank lid with the slots for mist. The mist comes out of the ears. Crane Adorable Humidifier is easy to use. There is a knob to change the mist output. The humidifier has a water sensor. It will automatically shut off when it's run out of water as a safety feature. The red light on the Crane humidifier is telling that it is out of water. Let's share our Crane humidifier review. Overall, we really like this humidifier. This is cute, practical, and safe. The price changes all the time, and also it is often varied on the different designs. I put a link below to check the current prices. Let's start the review to cover the plus side first. This humidifier is ultrasonic and generates virtually no noise. This is beneficial for use in the bedrooms and nurseries. In ultrasonic humidifiers, there's a small and thin metal sheet that vibrates and changes water to fine vapor. By the way, we have a baby humidifier 101 video if you want to better understand humidifiers and our general recommendation on baby humidifiers. I put a link here and also in the description below if you want to check it out. This is a cool mist humidifier. This is safer than a warm mist humidifier if you have a curious baby in the house. I also like the auto shut-off feature. Last but not least, on the plus side, I really like the design for the tank. It fits most sinks. This is beneficial as it can be a pain if it doesn't fit in your sink like the tank of my other humidifier. On the negative side, when you use this, usually you see some white powder around the humidifier. These are the dissolved mineral in the hard water. This deposit is not really harmful and you can wipe it out. It also holds a lot of water in the base, so if you want to move it around, watch it as you will spill water all over the place. Lastly, there is no additional feature like a night light or white noise. It would have been nice to have a night light on it, but not a deal breaker for me. So, how do you clean a Crane Adorable Humidifier? This is a cool mist humidifier, so it does not kill bacteria. It is important and also easy to clean the Crane baby humidifier. Put about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and fill the tank halfway with water. Shake it well and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then rinse it. Do the same for the base and add some vinegar, but instead of shaking, use a small brush and clean all the surfaces. By the way, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. Also, consider subscribing for more baby related videos like these. Thanks for watching and see you next time.